Hello, everyone. Today is Saturday, April the 9th. Can't believe how time is flying. Anyway, I actually have the weekend off. Yes. Thank you, universe. So, even though I got up so early today, seriously, I'm almost embarrassed to say, it's like 4:30. What the heck? So when I'm just laying there, I'm like, okay, might as well get up and drink pots of coffee and be productive. So today, I decided to focus on my kitty litter. It's a project that I've kind of stuffed away into a corner of my brain and figured that today seemed to be the best day to tackle it. And I cannot tell you how flipping excited I am. I flippin' love it. Yes, there's my flippins again. We all know what that means. And just means I'm super happy. So I just am a little shocked that something as ugly as a kitty litter box that, when you're in a small space, you don't have the luxury of like another room to put it in, which would probably be a guest room, a work room, and who really needs that anyway when you're sleeping? So he just sort of has it in the middle of the living room slash dining room. So I figure might as well embrace it. So if I'm going to have it, might as well make it pretty. So now that I have it, I can't stop staring at it. I'm like obsessed with it. So if anyone wants to buy one of these things, I will literally go to your house, well, within reason, and set it up. Or be brave like me and go to the dollar store. I'm going to try and add up. Like I did spend around $70, but I also got other things to build another tree in my dining area. So I have clay and a little bucket, and I have to make sure everything is super solid before that little tree goes up. So I had a combination of buying things for the teepee and then also to build the tree. I'm trying to think what else. Oh, and I did get some dried mango slices. Very yummy. I don't even know if they're that good for you, but I eat them all the time. But anyway, I don't want to talk too long. I'm going to put some music on, and you're going to watch and see how I did it. Oh, first of all, I'm going to hold up these little plastic. My concern was when I was at the dollar store, it's like, okay, like I was really going to go to a hardware store and get dowels, but you know what? There are these little bamboo poles at the dollar store. I think they're, are they four in a package? So I got two packages and I think they're $4 each. So yeah, I was gonna go and get dowels. So when I found these guys, I thought, wow, they're even much more natural, and they seem to go with this TP idea much better than a dowel would. So anyway, and then my friend told me that they actually have little squares of fake grass. So I thought, wow, that would be fantastic to just sort of put the litter box on top of that to kind of make it seem a little outdoorsy. And so my one concern was as I was walking around there, it's funny that I do actually think of these things. And I thought I need something that I can glue in place that I can put the dowels in. So it's attached to the grass underneath the kitty litter. And then I found it was actually a little container that housed knobs, because it's round and plastic, and it would be something that you would toss away. So I was going to buy these knobs, and then I just happened to see in the makeup area that it might have been lipstick or some type of a tube of makeup had been sold. And so they were just the leftover pieces of plastic that they would have tossed away, and replaced with like a brand new box of something and slid that onto the shelf. So I went up with all my stuff and I was like, this is going to be garbage. Can I just take it? Because I need it for my project. So she was like, oh yeah, hey, I should have taken a whole bunch. What was I thinking? So anyway, that's the plastic thing that I hold up. So, and then I cut them all apart and then I glued them onto the fake grass. And then I just placed the bamboo, what is it? Rod, the bamboo pole in it. So it doesn't slide out or go in. I didn't want it to collapse when he was in there. So that was my thinking. I don't even know how I even thought about that. I'm like, what am I going to glue it to the grass? Like, how am I going to get it so it doesn't move and shift when he's in there? And then I had a sheet that I found yesterday when I was at Value Village. It was very, very nice, soft sheet. So you're welcome, Oscar, because if I was really thinking, should have put it on my bed because I don't know. It almost felt like bamboo. It's very, very soft. But anyway, I just wrapped it around and then glued the front in place. And then I started adding greenery and some little flowers. And then I had these butterflies. And oh, it's so perfect. Oh yeah, and then when I found this sticky paper that were rocks, it looks like a waterfall in there. Like, it's bizarre. It's like, and then I put a little butterfly back there just because I can. So yeah, so there you have it. There's my little teepee. And I can't wait to see it tonight. I'm going to be doing these little flags that kind of drape around it. I don't really know whether it would go with the teepee, but I'm going to do it anyhow, take some photos, and see what I end up with. I really want to post it to like Instagram or something because I'm so excited about it, but I'm going to be patient and wait. Anyway, I love you all. Let me know if you do try this. I just think it's a fantastic way to hide something super ugly in your space and then sort of make it like a showstopper. So yeah, oh yeah, and then I got these little lights. They are little balls. I don't even know what it's made of, like maybe a grapevine, and they sprayed it white and it's got little lights inside of it and it's battery. So I just kind of glued the battery pack on the inside so I can change batteries when needed. And so at night I'll put it on. Not that Oscar really needs to see in there, but hey, it's going to be darn pretty. Anyway, I love you all. Thank you for watching another video. Please like and subscribe. I'm going to be doing other things, little projects. So it would be lovely if you followed along. And I love to read your comments. Some of them I post right on there. Some of them, I respond on there. Sometimes I actually send a message personally, depending on what the topic is about. So I love you all. So I hope you're enjoying your weekend. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.